No cameras in this room, huh?
Yeah, what's up? You just got one freaking shot. It's either them or your brains.
Get it.
So don't f it up.
Damn.
Yeah, don't f it up. Whoa! Yeah.
Now let's hear one of those jokes, bitch.
You just got one friggin' shot. Yo! Drop your bomb, make your move. This shit is totally so your groove.
It's on.
It's either them or a f***ed up you. Unlock the moolah, shoot the tequila, swig the cocktail of bombs on your tail. Two black coppers, that bomb's a whopper. Save your ass, bro. Save your ass. That's my bitch. Don't you dare make a pass.
Beat the shit out of that mother.
So don't get up. Yeah. Don't get up. Sons of Guns, Friday nights at 9. Only on Movies Now.